SiteSeal utilizes a number 2 vicryl suture to make a Z-stitch, which holds the SiteSeal device in place and closes the arteriotomy site in a linear fashion. The Z-stitch is placed by entering the soft tissue at the skin insertion site of the sheath. If right-handed, the first entrance is 1 centimeter east of the sheath, passing under the sheath and exits 1 centimeter west of the sheath. The second entrance is 1 centimeter above the skin insertion of the sheath and 1 centimeter to the east. The needle then crosses up and over the sheath and back down into the soft tissue and exits 1 centimeter west of the sheath. The 2 ends of the Z-stitch form a double half knot, which, when closed, creates an X over the arteriotomy site. BioSeal powder is placed around the sheath and half knot. The device is cocked by turning the crossbar horizontally and applying pressure, which loads the springs. It is then centered over the sheath at the arteriotomy site with the inclined plane facing north. The dilator is removed from the sheath. The 2 suture ends are pulled tight against the sheath as pressure is applied to the device, closing the Z-stitch into an X over the arteriotomy site, and the sheath is removed. The suture ends are pulled up through the designed slots and tied into the notch slot of the crossbar. The loaded springs are released by turning the crossbar back to a vertical position. Once the device is activated, the pressure created by the Z-stitch continues to elevate the artery and folds in the soft tissues surrounding the arteriotomy site, closing the site in a linear fashion. The roof is placed, and tegaderm is applied for stabilization. An angiogram with SiteSeal in place demonstrates the desired effect of the Z-stitch, closing the arteriotomy site in a linear fashion.